Hello, in this video, we show the process of manipulating datasets using dplyr package in R. The dplyr package is part of a very big package called tibble. So if you have installed tibble, you can also use dplyr. But you can also individually install dplyr. And this package allows us to manipulate data with an intuitive way. So for example, there are a series of functions belonging to dplyr let you to select data with columns or rows, or creating new variables, and arrange data in ascending or descending order. And you can get summary statistics by grouping variables, because these kinds of data operations are very popular, are very normal and basic in a project. So next we will show how to do these kinds of jobs with dplyr package and with CO2 dataset in R. So we go to RStudio. So first we load this library, or you can also use library tidyverse. Then we will use data set called CO2. So this is dataset CO2 with 84. This is a data frame, 84 rows and 5 columns. The plant type, treatment, and CONC and uptake. So next we will transform these data frames as a table. So we have talked about tibble as a type of new, a modern type of data frame. Actually, with the R version larger than 4, so usually a data frame will be automatically transformed as tibble. And next we show this table. So you can see only show the first 10 rows, and there are 74 more rows, and each variable has their data type. So this is ordinary and factor, ordinal, factor, and double. So next we will select data from this table with only 1, 2, 3, 5 columns. So we can just use select function because we have loaded dplyr package. So you can use the select function. The first argument is this data frame, this is table, and next is the columns you want to select. So it's quite simple. So the result will be saved as a new table. So this is the new table. Select the data. Now there are only 4 columns. Then next we will filter data. Select rows in which uptake larger than 16 only. So we can use a function called filter. So filter first argument is the data set, the table, and next is the condition. So we just set select data and uptake larger than 16. Then we show the result of this new data set. So you can see uptake larger than 16. Only 66 rows are left in this filtered data. Then say we want to group data by the value of plant. You can just use group by, and with this table, then with the variable plant. And we show this grouped data. And actually, you cannot find any difference between this grouped data and with the not grouped data, but actually this is grouped because here says groups plant 11. So which means there are different values of plant variable. There are 11 different values. So the data has been grouped into 11 different groups. Then next we use summarize to calculate the summarized data. For example, we want to calculate the mean value of uptake and standard deviation of uptake for each group. Then we can use summarize. This function also belongs to dplyr package. So summarize this grouped data, and here we create two new variables. One is mean up, second is SD up, and their value is the mean of uptake and SD of uptake by each group. So next we show this summarized data. So because this is based on the grouped data, so only the data shows in each group of each of these 11 groups for the plant value. Then there are only two columns left, mean up and standard up, which are created in this operation. Then say we also want to create a new variable for the tibble. Then you can use mutate function from dplyr. Say here we want to create a new variable called CV, which is SD up divided by mean up, and with times 100%. Then we can use mutate with this summarized data. Then CV is the new variable want to be created. CV equals this expression. Then we show this new data set. So this table now has 11 rows, 4 columns. You can see there, the last column is the new variable called CV created, of course, for each group. Then the last operation we want to show is arrange data. So for example, we want to arrange this data set in terms of the variable CV in ascending order. So we use this one, arrange this data CV. So we show how it is going. So CV, right? So now this is the several very normal operations that you can use with dplyr package in R. Thanks for watching.